How to enable or disable Compact OS in Windows 11. Running into storage issues on your Windows 10 or 11 device? Compact OS is an advanced feature that compresses your system files to free up significant disk space. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. The basics of Windows Compact OS. Compact OS is a powerful solution for limited local storage, particularly useful for IT admins setting up endpoints in enterprise, embedded, VMIoT, or kiosk. Before you start, remember 3 things. You need administrator privileges, Compact OS must be compatible with your setup, and it works on both Windows 10 and 11. To check if it's already active, open an elevated command prompt and run compact.exe/compactos:_query. We also strongly recommend backing up your system before making any changes. How to enable Compact OS and when to use it. To enable Compact OS and reclaim space, follow these simple steps. First, open command prompt as an administrator. Next, run the command compact.exe/compactos:always. This process takes time, and a system reboot is recommended. Enable Compact OS if you have limited storage, are setting up minimal deployment images for VMS or kiosks, or if sacrificing raw performance isn't a critical concern. How to disable Compact OS and when to avoid it. If you face performance issues or no longer need the space, you can easily disable Compact OS. First, open an elevated command prompt. Next, run the command compact.exe/compactos:never. This restores the system to its full uncompressed size, and a reboot is recommended. Avoid using Compact OS on systems with ample disk space, in environments where performance is a priority, or on systems requiring frequent advanced servicing or customization. Compact OS versus performance and other utilities. Be aware that enabling Compact OS comes at the cost of performance, especially on older hardware. Increased CPU usage can lead to a longer boot time and slower app launches. On the positive side, Compact OS works fine with Windows utility tools like Disk Cleanup and Storage Sense. They won't attempt to decompress the core files. For IT admins, Compact OS is compatible with sysprep and DISM for creating custom images, and the compression state is retained after sysprep. However, system update installation is generally slower due to the on-the-fly decompression required during the process. While Compact OS is compatible with BitLocker, compression may impact initial encryption speed. Always use test devices to validate behavior before enterprise deployment. Making the most of Compact OS requires careful management and deployment. Whether you enable or disable it, always monitor system performance. Remember, the feature is a clear trade-off. Use it when storage is essential and revert when speed is necessary. This strategic approach ensures you get the best results from your Windows 11 system. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to enable or disable Compact OS in Windows 11, linked in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this.